This is Leela Kelly. Welcome to Dosatron University. Today we are going to show you how to put together the Little Buddy Quick Hookup Kit. We will also show you how to install the kit onto the Little Buddy cart with a 14 gallon per minute. Model number D14MZ2. Begin by removing the Little Buddy cart from the carton. Lay the box down on the ground with the Little Buddy wheels facing the ground. Grab the handle and pull it out of the carton. Included in the box with the Little Buddy is your Quick Hookup Kit. To begin, you will need to assemble the Quick Hookup Kit. You will need a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and an old towel. To start, slide one of the clamps onto the longer blue hose. Insert the barb into one end of the hose, then tighten the clamp using your flathead screwdriver. Attach the elbow to the other end of the same hose by first sliding the hose clamp onto the blue hose. Insert the elbow and tighten the clamp. Wrap Teflon tape onto the threaded part of the elbow, then connect the threaded part of the elbow to the filter, with the arrow on the filter pointing toward the inlet side of the Dosatron. Secure the filter to your Dosatron by connecting it to the inlet side, with the arrow on the Dosatron pointing downstream. Using Teflon tape, hand tighten. Place the elbow, again using Teflon tape, onto the Dosatron's outlet side. Now add the check valve, securing with Teflon tape. Fasten the barb to the check valve, adding Teflon tape, and hand tighten. Slide the clamp onto the short blue hose and slide the hose onto the barb. Tighten the clamp. To connect the last elbow to the blue hose, slide the clamp over the hose and insert the elbow and tighten the clamp. Your Quick Hookup Kit is now ready to install onto the Little Buddy cart. Remove the bracket off of the Dosatron injector. Now remove the bolts and screws that are connected to the cart and set aside. Install the bracket into the pre-drilled holes on the cart using the bolts and screws to secure. Reattach the Dosatron injector and kit onto its bracket, securing with the Velcro strap. Using the two supplied zip ties, attach each blue hose to the bottom of the cart. Pull open the plug in the top of the 5-gallon bucket and unscrew. Drop your suction hose strainer into the bucket. Secure the bucket with the strap. Set your Dosatron ratio by unscrewing the locking nut a couple of turns and adjusting the injection scale to your desired setting. Retighten the locking nut hand tight. Then slowly turn on the water. You are now ready to start using your Dosatron Little Buddy cart. Thank you for watching. This has been Leela Kelly.